It is the brand new Bergstrom Subaru in Green Bay at its new location. It's open now. And Tim Bergstrom, it is amazing.
Yeah, we're pretty excited. It's right down the road from Lambeau Field on the corner of Holmgren and Pilgrim Way. And we have the largest inventory of Subarus in the state of Wisconsin.
I can be honest, I don't know how many grand openings you can actually bring your dog to, but this is one of them.
You know, Subaru loves dogs, and we're going to do something fun in this COVID environment. Go to BergstromSubaru.com. Schedule an appointment for your dog to come in and get their picture taken. It's going to be done by a professional photographer. It's going to be pretty darn cool when we give it to you because it's going to be framed. You'll get the digital copy, and there won't have Bergstrom anywhere on it. You can put it on your desk and remember your special one at home.
And if you're a fan of the Wisconsin State Park system, you've got a great opportunity there, too.
All you have to do is test drive a Subaru, and we'll give you a Wisconsin State Park pass.
Everybody needs to experience a Subaru. Tim, safety, reliability, it's got the whole package.
And we're having a grand opening sale, which means the lowest prices, the best selection, and on top of it, we're going to give you 2 years free maintenance, which is a $400 value. You've got to come check it out. There's no negotiating. You get the upfront and lowest price.
It is Bergstrom Subaru in Green Bay. It's open now. You want to find out more? BergstromSubaru.com.